Bazzite versus CachyOS gaming Linux distros. Choosing the right gaming Linux distro can transform your PC gaming experience without complicated setups or performance issues. We'll explore Bazzite and CachyOS, two popular options for gamers. Bazzite and CachyOS are both Linux distributions tailored for gaming, but they differ in approach. Bazzite focuses on stability and a polished KDE desktop experience, while CachyOS emphasizes performance optimizations and gaming-specific tweaks for AMD and NVIDIA hardware. Bazzite is a gaming-focused Linux distro built on Arch Linux with KDE Plasma as its desktop environment. It delivers a stable yet modern system with a visually appealing interface, making it accessible for gamers who want both aesthetics and reliability. Bazzite integrates performance tweaks and pre-installed gaming tools, including Steam and Lutris, to streamline game management. Its package management through Arch's rolling release model ensures access to the latest software and drivers. However, Bazzite's focus on KDE means users preferring other desktops might find it less flexible. Also, as an Arch-based distro, it requires some Linux familiarity for troubleshooting. Ideal users are gamers who want a balance between cutting-edge software and a user-friendly, stable environment with KDE's customization options. Bazzite supports AMD and NVIDIA GPUs with optimized drivers, making it a solid choice for gamers looking for a smooth, out-of-the-box experience. CachyOS is another Arch Linux derivative designed specifically for gaming performance. It focuses heavily on kernel and system optimizations to reduce latency and improve frame rates, especially on AMD and NVIDIA hardware. CachyOS offers several editions, including versions optimized for different desktop environments like XFCE and KDE, providing flexibility based on user preference. Its custom kernel patches and pre-configured settings target faster responsiveness and better hardware utilization, making it attractive for competitive gamers and those seeking maximum performance. While CachyOS delivers impressive speed gains, it may require more Linux knowledge to configure and maintain, as some optimizations can introduce instability if not managed carefully. The distro is best suited for experienced Linux users or gamers willing to tweak their system for peak performance. CachyOS also includes popular gaming tools like Steam, Proton, and Lutris, ensuring compatibility with a broad range of titles. Comparing Bazzite and CachyOS reveals distinct strengths. Bazzite offers a polished KDE experience with a focus on stability and ease of use, ideal for gamers who want a visually appealing system that works well out of the box. Its rolling release ensures up-to-date software without sacrificing reliability. CachyOS, on the other hand, prioritizes raw gaming performance with kernel tweaks and system optimizations, delivering lower latency and better frame rates, especially on AMD and NVIDIA GPUs. However, this can come at the cost of occasional instability and a steeper learning curve. For casual gamers or those new to Linux, Bazzite provides a smoother, more user-friendly experience. Competitive or performance-driven gamers who don't mind advanced setup will benefit more from CachyOS's fine-tuned optimizations. Both distros include essential gaming tools, but their core difference lies in balancing stability versus maximum performance. Choose Bazzite if you want a stable, visually appealing gaming Linux distro with KDE and easy access to the latest software and drivers. Opt for CachyOS if you prioritize top-tier gaming performance and are comfortable with advanced Linux tweaks. Its optimizations deliver better frame rates and responsiveness, making it perfect for serious gamers aiming to maximize hardware potential. Both distros offer great gaming support tailored to different user needs.